Welcome everyone. My name is Tanitra Pechevinichok, otherwise known to my students as Chef T. I'm a personal chef, caterer, and culinary instructor at Teaspoons, my boutique cooking school in Ladera Ranch, California. In this clip, we're going to show you how to clean a moldy plastic food container. Now for today's demonstration purposes, we have here a plastic moldy food container. As you can see, we have mold all over, and we're going to make sure we clean this nice and good today, okay? So what we're going to need to clean our plastic moldy container here is some paper towels, bleach, a little dish soap, a bowl that's big enough to fit your plastic container, and of course our latex gloves to protect our hands since we will be working with some bleach. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my gloves. And we're going to grab some paper towels and make sure we rid of all of the food that we can that's in the container with our paper towels and into the trash. So we'll go ahead and take our moldy food to the trash here and scrape it out with our paper towel. And now I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out with some hot water just to rid of any excess food that'll easily come off. That's pretty good there. Now I'm going to go ahead and squirt in a little bit of the dish soap. Fill in the container with some hot water again, and just kind of scrub it a little bit using your hands since you do have your gloves on, so we should be able to just use our hands for this. So now that I've rid of all the food here, doesn't mean that it's clean yet because we want to make sure now that we kill all the germs and bacteria that's in our container still. And so how we're going to do that is we're actually going to soak it using our large bowl here. I'm going to put my container into the big bowl. Then I'm going to add in about a cup of bleach. So just remember the ratio is about a cup of bleach to a gallon of water. I'm going to pour that inside the bowl. So now I've added a cup of bleach, and we are going to go ahead and fill it up with some water, some warm water. Okay, so that looks good right about there. We've completely covered our container, and we're going to let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and check on it in a few. Okay, so now about 30 minutes has passed, and we're going to go ahead and rinse out our container. Now remember, you want to keep your gloves on because we are still working with bleach. I'm going to go ahead now and just rinse out the container, add just a little bit of soap so that I make sure I remove any of the bleach residue that might still be left behind. I'll go ahead and use my sponge for this so I make sure I give it a good scrub. Now it's smelling beautiful. Okay. Now not only have we rid of all the moldy food, we have actually disinfected, cleaned, and made our container brand new again. So don't feel like you ever have to throw out your plastic moldy containers anymore. With these simple cleaning techniques, your container is as good as new.